Hello guys, today I'll show you how to use the green hero trick in Last Shelter to get the maximum amount of orange boxes in early challenges on Thursdays, because on Thursdays we get the maximum number of hero challenges as we call it. And so let's see how it's done. But please remember guys, you have to save all your wisdom medals and recruitment tickets for Thursdays. So please save them for a week and use them all on Thursdays. That will give you the maximum amount of diamonds as well as the resources. So let's see how it's done. So this is my farm account in state 1003. Guys, make sure you have the appropriate amount of green heroes as well as recruitment tickets, because we will require them in a big quantity on Thursdays. It's easy to get them. You can get them easily from normal recruitment tickets, and normal recruitment tickets are easily available in game. So this is early challenge. You get different points for different tasks. So let's see how it's done. So guys, first we have to unstation my heroes from station point. I have to recall them because I have only one green hero in my roster. So let's see, where is it? See, this is all my heroes and only one heroine is free. So I have to recall my heroes from the station. So I can't find my station. It's messed up here. Don't worry, I'll get it somehow. So yeah, here is it. So guys, I'll have to recall my green heroes. These are all my green heroes. So now see what I'll do. Yes. So now this green hero has only 2 skills, so I have to level it up on level 6. Okay, done. Then guys, I have to upgrade all its skills. Upgrade it to the maximum level possible. Use all your medals. So I've used all. And now guys, you have to break this hero. For this, go to the description, the story of hero, and on bottom left you will see the salvage hero part. So now break this hero. You will get around 80 to 85% of medals back. So that's a good deal in my opinion. So just confirm it. Yes. So see guys, I've already completed half of my daily challenge, early challenge, in just one go. But I've used my 100 medals too. But 100 medals are quite easy to get, so don't worry about that. You will get them easily. Now try this on one more hero. Guys, I've collected these medals in like 2 or 3 days, so it's not that big a deal. So upgrade it on level 12 because this hero has 3 skills. Okay, then upgrade, unlock its skills and try upgrading them. Use all your medals and try to balance all the skills to get your maximum medals used. See guys, I have upgraded it. Now story, then break the hero, confirm. See guys, now almost 3/4 of my daily challenge is completed. Let's do this one more time. My last green hero left. So this hero has 2 skills, so I'll upgrade it to level 6. level its skills up, use maximum amount of your medals to get this challenge done quickly, or it can last few days. So just confirm. See guys, I've completed almost my challenge, but I have still to get some more points. So I'll try different methods to teach you how it's done. You can do any method. I'll try to use my hero XP to get the medal, to get the orange box, sorry. Yes, see, it's still not completed yet, so I'll try that one more time. Okay, then still not completed, I think, but it was to show you how it's done. Yeah, so I'll just upgrade its skill one time and boom, my challenge is done. And almost 100 or 150 medals wasted, but don't worry, they are easy to get. So this will help you a lot in your game, because this gives awesome amount of resources and diamonds and training boosts, and of course a teleport. That's very important guys, later on you will realize that. Okay guys, so this video is done. Thank you.